Denpasar is Bali's capital city. Although the modern center of government departments, international banks, and many other offices, it still retains its unique Balinese personality. This is strongly felt and clearly seen in its many temples, universities and pleasant gardens, which still maintain their presence and influence. Denpasar has the Pura Jagatnada, a temple dedicated to Bali's supreme god, Sang Hyang Widi. There are interesting statues of a turtle and two mystical dragons in the temple, signifying the foundation of the world. The Pura's awesome architecture resembles that of Balinese palace. It has now been converted into a museum housing a fine collection of prehistoric and modern art. The famous 4th century Pura Maaspati is right next to Pura Jagannath. There is also an interesting place like the government-supervised art center, Sanggrahakri Asta, which also home to a tremendous variety of handicraft and works of art. Tamanwedi Budaya, meanwhile, is an arts center with occasional exhibits of paintings, crafts and carvings, and holds traditional dances every evening. It is also the host of the annual Bali Arts Festival in June to July, with performances, exhibitions, art contest, and other activities of artistic nature. The main street of Denpasar start with Gajah Mada Street in the west, Sirupati Street in the center, followed by Hyamwariuk Street and ends as Raya Sanar Street in the east. There are many things of history and culture to see. The Puputan Square, with its heroic Katyur Mukha, fondly commemorates the Balinese's suicidal stand against the Dutch. Until today, it is touchingly a popular meeting place for locals in the evenings.